Hello children, welcome to the e-learning channel. As you know children, yesterday we have done exercise C, fill in the blanks in your copies. Now children, see whatever mistakes you people have made. What you have done, you have made the spelling mistakes. Some of the students, what they have done, they have mixed these sentences together. They have written sentence 3, 4, 5 all together. They have not written the numbers. So children, please see it carefully and then do the work in neat and clean way. Okay children, see the spellings carefully and then do your work. Okay children, now what you have to do, we have to do exercise D today in your classwork copies. What you have to do, my last page is filled. That is why I have started from a new page and I have written the date in the corner. Clear? You don't have to write the date here and there. You have to write the date and page number in this right side column. Clear? Now exercise D. Write the names of the capitals of these states. You have to put this heading with black pen. Clear? Do it in neat and clean way. Write the names of the capitals of these states. Underline it as I have done for you. Clear? Now number 1 is Jammu and Kashmir. The capital of Jammu and Kashmir is Srinagar in summer and Jammu in winter. You have to write the name of the states with black pen and answers with blue pen. See carefully. You have to write these states with black pen and these answers with capitals with blue pen. Clear? Now one more thing children. Jammu and Kashmir, you people, what you are doing, you are writing this J and K small y. This is the name of a place. That is why this J for Jammu and K for Kashmir will be capital. Then when you write Srinagar, Srinagar S will be capital. Then put a small dash, write summer capital. And Jammu, this J will be capital, then a small dash, then winter with blue pen. Second one is Assam. A-S-S-A-M, Assam. The capital of Assam is Dispur. D-I-S-P-U-R. Dispur. This you have to write with blue pen. Now number 3rd, Himachal Pradesh. H-I-M-A-C-H-A-L, Himachal. P-R-A-D-E-S-H, Pradesh. H will be capital of Himachal and P of Pradesh will be capital. Now put a small dash and write this with blue pen. Shimla. S-H-I-M-L-A. Clear? 4th one is Nagaland. N-A-G-A-L-A-N-D. Nagaland. With black pen, put a small dash and write this answer with blue pen. Kohima. K-O-H-I-M-A. Kohima. Number 5. Manipur. M-A-N-I-P-U-R. Manipur. Write with black pen and this M will be capital. Put a small dash and then write with blue pen the state. Imphal. I-M-P-H-A-L. Imphal. 6. Mizoram. M-I-Z-O-R-A-M. Mizoram. M will be capital. Then a small dash, write Aizol. A-I-Z-A-W-L. Aizol. With blue pen. Now write, see this. In this way you have to write the states and capitals. Now children, one more last exercise is left. That is, put the heading here, exercise E. Then write the question with black pen. Write T for the true and F for the false statements. Underline it with black pen. Now sentence number 1 is Kashmir is famous for its apples and saffron. Kashmir is famous for its apples and saffron. You know this is the correct statement. So write here true with black pen and underline it. Number 2. Natti is the famous dance of N-A-T-I, Natti. Natti is the famous dance of Uttarakhand. No, children, Nati is the famous dance of Himachal Pradesh, and that is why this statement is wrong. So write here with black pen false and underline it. Now as we come on a new page right now, first of all we have to write the date and page number again on the right side of the page. Now sentence number 3. Most people of Sikkim belong to Lepcha and Bhutia tribes. You have studied, children, in Sikkim. Yes, this statement is true because most of the people living in Sikkim, they belong to Lepcha and Bhutia tribes. So what you will write here? True. 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 Write with black pen and underline it. Clear? Now sentence number 4. Darjeeling is famous for good quality of tea. I think, children, if you have studied, Assam is famous for good quality tea. So Darjeeling is famous for good quality of tea. This statement is wrong. So what you will write here? Okay, beta, good. You will write here false with black pen and underline it. Clear? See the spelling of Darjeeling first. It is tough. Darjeeling. 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 Dar Jeegling. Ling. Darjeeling. Children, Lepcha Bhutia also see. Lepcha Lepcha and Bhutia Bhutia. One more spelling Uttarakhand. Uttara 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 and Khand Khand. U will be capital because it is the name of the state. So U will be capital. Now sentence number 5. Bamboo dance of Assam is quite famous. Now children, if you remember, bamboo dance is not of Assam. It is of Mizoram. That is quite famous. Now you understand this. That is why this statement is wrong. So you will write here false with black pen and underline it. Now the last statement of this true and false is sun rises earliest in Assam. You remember something, children? Sun rises earliest in Arunachal Pradesh, and that is why again this statement is wrong. So you will write here false with black pen and underline it. Clear? Okay, children, so we have to do these two exercises today, that is exercise D and exercise E. D, you have to write states and capitals, and exercise E, you have to write true and false. Now what you have to do, again I am telling you, write date and page number on the right side, put the headings with black pen, leave one line every time and leave one finger gap in between two words. Clear, children? I hope you all will do correct. But some of you children, still you people are committing mistakes. Please take care and don't repeat the mistake again and again. And see your spellings carefully, children. If you have any problem, you can ask. And this is your homework to learn the states and capitals of exercise D. Clear? That means you have to, in homework, you have to learn this exercise D. Clear, children? Okay, children, I hope you all are fine at home. Stay at home, stay healthy, and stay at home, stay safe, and keep yourself healthy. Okay, thank you. Thank you, children.